Hey everyone, let's talk about how to begin your day on how to start off with the Hyper Expert. That's I'll be giving you a tutorial on how to stake your July HGPT. So first of all, you need to go by connecting your wallet. First of all, you need to click on that link, that Hyper staking link, and then connect your wallet. You either use your email and first you need to log in through your email, but I'll be using through Google so that it will be easier for me. So I've clicked on the Google, waiting for it to load.